everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to fix this issue where our earphones and our headphones work for music but not for calls. So if you're also having that issue, we're just going to go ahead and fix the issue. So let's start by following up this method. So first thing we can do is we can check our Bluetooth settings. So if you're using earbuds or anything else, what we can do is we can go over to our devices settings, and then from here you can look out for Bluetooth settings. You can go to sounds and vibrations and tap on it, and once you tap on it you can look out for Bluetooth, or go to network connections, and from there look out for Bluetooth option. Go to more connection settings or tap on Bluetooth directly and turn this option on. After you turn it on, you can basically find the settings for making both of the call and the audio enabled. You can look out for the gear option for that, and you can just go over and enable that option. So you can go to the advanced option and you can look out for Bluetooth history, or those options to turn it on for both music and then call. So you can just go ahead and find it up and enable it. Apart from that, what we can do is we can clear up Bluetooth's cache as well. So you can go to your phone settings, and from there, once you go to your phone settings, you can go ahead and look out for the apps option and tap on it and find the option for Bluetooth here. Go to the top and search for Bluetooth. And if you find the Bluetooth here, it is usually system application. You can just go over and clear the cache for Bluetooth, which is under storage. Tap on storage and look out for clear cache option and clear the cache for the Bluetooth application if available. Apart from that, what we can do is we can just go over and reset our app preferences. Go to the phone's app settings for that. And once we go over there, go to the applications option again, tap on it, and go over and tap on the three dot in the top right corner and select the option of reset app preferences. This resets the permissions without deleting your data, and that's it. Also, test in another app. Try using the microphone in a different app like a voice recorder to see if the problem is specific to phone calls or for all the microphone functions. And that is it. So therefore, you may follow up this process for that and you should be able to fix that issue. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.